course, ex-servicemen have been protesting for over 2 months at Jantar Mantar now, demanding the implementation of one rank, one pension, something that the government has been stalling for a long time now. Now some of them have decided to actually go on a fast unto death. My colleague Sudhir Ranjan Sen spoke to some of them.
Despite the Prime Minister's assurance, 2 soldiers have now threatened to go on an indefinite hunger strike. Colonel Pushpender from the 3 Grenadiers and Havaldar Major Singh are the 2 people who have, decided to go on a hunger strike or are threatening to go on a hunger strike. So why this? You have got an assurance from the Prime Minister that one rank, one pension is accepted. It's taking a little bit more time.
Firstly, he had said within, if he becomes the Prime Minister, within 100 days, the OROP will be sanctioned. We have been listening from him since very, very long time. Last, Jan Sukhbir had requested us that let's see what Pradhan Mantri speaks from the Red Fort. The entire speech we heard, whatever he was speaking from the Red Fort, when the OROP thing came, it was a very demoralized factor for the ex-servicemen, and we decided that from 16th onwards, both of us will go on an indefinite strike till death.
मेजर साहब, आपके जो साथी हैं जनरल साहब है, सब आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि थोड़े दिन और रुक जाइए, सरकार को और थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए।
हमने 6-7 मौके दे दिए गवर्नमेंट को, और जनरल साहब ने हमें बोला था कि इतने दिन आप रुक जाओ। हम रुकते रहे, लेकिन आखिरी 16 तारीख दी थी, 15 के बाद भी आप बैठ जाना, लेकिन 16 के बाद कल हम बैठ गए, हम अभी नहीं उठेंगे।
We also have with us General Satbir Singh, the man who has been leading this entire agitation. So must be a very difficult thing trying to...
Yes, this is the decision which is painful to us. We do not want any one of our Sainiks or Sainik Parivar to go on hunger strike till death. They are not agreeing. We have made them, since the time they have said yesterday, we've been requesting them. Whole night till about 1 o'clock, I personally was requesting them. They have not agreed. Again, morning we came, we have requested them. They are not agreeing. We'll continue to do so that they break this fast. But this is what the position is at the moment.
So there's another question. You met the Defence Minister after the 15th address of the Prime Minister. What happened in that?
No, we just went to request him that we would like to meet the Prime Minister. He said Prime Minister is away. He will try and get us when she come back. So Prime Minister, he will be able to talk on 24th. So we'll see on 24th, 25th. But we will continue our intensity of our agitation. And hopefully, aim is not to tell the government or become arrogant. No, we are Sainiks of this country. We are requesting the nation's government that assurances given must be complied with. We should at least fulfill. We want our nation, we protect the nation, but we want the government to give us what is due to us. They are, if they now equate this, that we are being arrogant, I think it's unfair. The arrogance should be on the other side.
So when you say about intensifying the agitations, what are we looking at? We know you have announced at 65 war you're not then participating. Then what?
Black flags all over the countryside, asking the youth of the country to join and be with us, and telling full 125 crores, the injustice to the soldiers have been done for the last 67 years by all governments. It's not only this government. Everyone, our status has been downgraded. We have been attacked by police. And when we were sitting on hunger strike and peaceful with orders with us, so all this has really angered us more. We will continue our efforts and escalate it further.
Is Bihar what you're looking at, where the government, where the BJP is fighting a very tough battle?
You see, it's not only Bihar. Our decision is, we want to tell the countrymen, all over wherever elections will be held, that people you elect who should govern the country, whatever assurance they make, they must abide by. We heard someone saying, जो हम assurance देते हैं, वो सिर्फ election के time होता है, उसको मानने के लिए नहीं होता. ये किसने बोला? But a senior leader of this country.
So last question, you want to meet the Prime Minister. What if you get another assurance?
No, we want 2 things. Definition will not be changed and a date. If they give us these 2, we'll get out from here.
So 2 soldiers on a hunger strike and the veterans saying that they want to meet the Prime Minister for a clear date and an assurance that there will be no change in the definition of one rank, one pension. With camera person Shalik Ram, Sudhir Ranjan Sen for NDTV.